There's this old tale about a woman who spends her whole life chasing this version of herself that she wanted to become. Who she thought was the perfect self. And she spent her whole life in search of it. This endless cycle of searching, looking. And this thing that she was chasing, it was too quick, elusive like a shadow. And in the end, she stopped and stared at this shadow. She realised it moved when she moved. She searched the mountains, she searched the lakes, and she would search by day and she would search by night. The cycle repeated until one day, the realization slowly dawned upon her. She was the shadow. She was already everything she wanted to become. Don't spend your life in search of someone else. You are already everything you want to become. For you are them, and they are you.